Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to animate literally anything with Wan 2.5. Ladies and gentlemen, you are going to land up on this page once you dial in Wan.video, and once you sign in, you're going to go up to the top right hand side and you are going to click on redeem credits. You get 10 daily credits, and then you're going to go to the left hand side, click on generate, and here we have a few options. So right at the bottom you'll see it will initially say video. So here you can create a video. All you need to do is add a frame, and this can be an image, and then you need to just describe what you actually want to see within the video. You can then also type image over here. You can see that you can edit images, and then you can go to avatar. Now this is the focus. Once you go into avatar, you will have three options. The first option is speech to video. Here you will select an image as the character, and then your speech audio. So here you need to upload or extract from a video or generate audio, okay? And it's only English supported. Then the next thing is the character swap. Now within character swap, here you'll upload a front-facing video with a clearly visible face, and then on the right-hand side you'll upload a front-facing photograph of one person only with a clear visible face. And then it will have a complete character swap. So you can maybe, for example, take a video of an action scene in a movie and maybe put an image of yourself in that video or in that movie. Then the last thing over here, the photo animate. Here you upload a front-facing photograph of one person only with a clearly visible face, and you will then upload a front-facing video with a clearly visible face, and it'll actually character swap or animate your photo as well in the style of the video. Now, once you've done all this, you can just go over here. You are going to choose your quality, so either standard or pro. And then you are able to toggle this on and off. If you have more credits, you can go ahead and generate this with credits. Now, if you want to generate it without credits, it's going to take a little bit of time because you're not generating it with credits, so you'll be standing in a long queue to get this done. If you would like to create videos more frequently, you can actually just go up to the top right hand side, click on subscribe, and here you have the option for monthly membership plans. So $5 will get you 300 credits per month, and that also accelerates up to 1,200 images or 60 videos. You can also jump into the premium, and then we have credits. So here you can literally just buy credits, and this is a once-off credit purchase. You can see it starts from as little as $1.50, and it goes all the way up to $100. And for $1.50, you get to produce 120 images or 6 videos, which I think is fantastic. And then here you can actually purchase a gift card, and then you can obviously use it yourself, or you can gift it to somebody else. Now go ahead and purchase some credits, go to generate, and explore what Wan 2.5 actually has going.